Tired of lagging gameplay and a full hard drive? Today, we're diving into how to cleanly uninstall PC games so you can reclaim precious storage and boost your system speed. First, let's use the control panel. The classic method: click the Windows Start button and start to type in Control Panel, then select it, find the Programs and Features option and open it. This will show a list of all your installed programs, including games. Find the game you want to remove and click on it to select it. Now look for the Uninstall button at the top of the list, click on it. The game's uninstaller should now launch. Follow the on-screen prompts. Sometimes you'll get a confirmation box. Follow those steps until the uninstallation completes. Most games have their own bespoke uninstallers, so it might look different for each one. Once the uninstaller is finished, the game should be gone from the list in Programs and Features. A crucial final step is to check your recycle bin. Sometimes uninstallers leave fragments behind. If you see any leftover game files in the recycle bin, such as old game folders, empty the recycle bin completely or delete any leftovers manually. This clears up space. Occasionally, games might have files spread across different locations on your computer. If you are unsure, feel free to search in your file explorer to confirm the program has been completely deleted, and there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled a PC game.